Today's work, we've taken the carpeting up now in the aft cabin. That's all the carpeting out of the way. Janet, as you can hear, is just working on the step. And at this side, that's a massive step. What we've done is we've actually raised this door, which will allow us to put this step further up. So it'll come to about that line, which is about equidistant then. And so we always had a long step down, which is not good. So we'll make an improvement there. There's Janet doing some sanding. When we take the step off, we found it's actually hardwood, so we're going to try and make it match what we've got in the saloon.
Right, this morning after yesterday, Dave pulled out the old blue yucca carpet and he went off and bought a new carpet, which is now going down. He's finally cut in this piece, which is the step, as you can see. The step is missing, and whoa, pussycats! There's holes everywhere, which my little terror there, wherever she is, absolutely loves and adores holes and spaces to go. And she goes across to the bed. Dave is busy. I'm being a good helper because I provided him with a latte, which he won't have time to drink, so it'll go cold.
Really expensive carpet is this. Got to be very careful. Can't afford to make any mistakes on this.
carpet is now down. We
One little bit to come there.
oh, okay. Do that again because I wasn't pointing there.
One little bit to come, going to there.
Okay.
That's it.
So there's the hatches covered. One hatch, two hatch, and if you see, miracle of miracles, Dave's actually cleaning his own mess. But that is because he has not yet put the step in, so Muggins here can't get down. Good excuse for me. It looks really good. Suits.
Pleased with it.
Yep, it really suits.
Expensive carpet.
Yeah.
I've never paid so much for a piece of carpet in my life.
Yeah. Let's hope it wears well. Because if we have to redo it again next year, I don't think he's going to be happy with me. But no. One finished product. Once the step goes down, like I said, the step is now going to look like these ones instead of carpeted. So, as steps match.
I've just got to put some beeswax on it, and then I can put the step in.
Okie dokie.
And so there we're finished. There's the step. We've cleaned that up, taken all the glue off it, resanded it, stained it, and wax polished it. So that's now back in place. We've also lifted it up. We raised that wardrobe door up a little bit to allow that step to come higher, so we haven't got a big step down, it's just equidistant now. And all the new carpeting is in, and this looks a lot better than that manky old blue that we had. So next job is the fore cabin. We've got plenty of carpet left.